Oh my god. Oh, yo. What is my luck? Oh my god. Oh, my heartbeat. Oh, screenshot. Oh my gosh. Thank God. Yo, that's my second one. I could trade one for a Moltres. Oh, that is sick. Oh my god. One. Oh, dang it. Wow. God bless, dude. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. I was like, if I got the blue on camera, and what did I get? I got the blue on camera, y'all. Wow. Oh. Oh my. We're messing up right now. Like, very badly. Oh, that didn't even shake that time. Oh my gosh, that's 2 Articunos off 1 incense. What the heck? Watch this. Bang. Oh. 1. Oh. Gosh. Let's flip and go, y'all. 2. Can't pull the third one. Dang it. I missed the excellent. Great. Come on. 1, 2. Wait, what is my luck, dude? That means I could trade for a third one. For the Moltres, and then I can have the complete shiny family. That's if someone wants to trade, which I'm pretty sure someone would, right? I've never even caught a Moltres. I just realized that. 1. Dude, I haven't played Pokemon in over a week, and I come back for 1 day. I didn't even want to. My friend just hit me up and was like, hey, you want to go use our incense? And I was like, I guess. But, that paid off so well. 1, 2. Oh my gosh, how many balls is this going to take? Hold up, I'm going to knock out some great balls, because I do not need this many amount of great balls. Wow. Yo, can someone tell me my luck? Okay, never mind. I'm going back to Ultra Balls. I might trade the other one if this one's solid IV. Or wait, no. That one's on my birthday. I forgot. I don't know why people want me to trade it so bad. I mean, like, dude, it's caught on my birthday. What better birthday gift can you get than your first shiny Galarian bird caught? Or actually, first Galarian bird caught in general. One. We have a helicopter flying over us right now. That's fun. Oh, and I just airballed very badly. Oh, hi helicopter. 2, nope. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I hope they're okay. I mean, it has that, you know where, there's like a rope on a helicopter? There's another one coming too. I wonder what's happening. Oh gosh, that's not very fun. Oh, that's definitely a... Oh yeah, that says police right there. And then the other one is a fire one. I hope everything's okay. Wait, why are they going in like opposite directions? The way I'm looking, the fire one is going left, and then the other one's going straight. The police officer one is going straight. Alright, come on, great throw. 1, 2. Ah, shoot. Alright, come on. This is the one. I feel it. 1, 2. I don't feel it anymore. Imagine if I got the blue on camera. And I imagined correctly, for sure. A third one's coming in? Dang, guys. What's happening? I really hope everything's okay. It's not good. Did I catch it? I caught it! Let's go, dude. Notice how it's not to the decks? IVs? What the heck? Those are weird. I like it, though. Let's go.